Myself TV Ghosh, librarian, SBNIT, Surat. SBNIT means Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology, Surat. I am very much thankful to the organizer for providing me opportunity to explain how we have applied RFID technology in our library. RFID technology is a vast field. All the components we are not in a position to apply, such as tunneling system and this book drop also we have not introduced immediately, and different other countries there are different departments, and every department they are having book drop facilities and tunneling system that we don't have. Whatever we have applied within our limitation, just I will explain to you step by step. RFID technology generally used in factories and industries for security, prevention security system, but nowadays the RFID system is introduced, is applied in the library field also, but in library field it is used for security system as well as the self check-in, self check-out and inventory control. The most advantage of this RFID system is the first issue and return or self check-out and check-in system, and most advantage it is having that self check-out and self check-in system. The users can get the book and return the book independently as well as the ATM machine in the bank. RFID technology based on the microchip and radio frequency system. This microchip based on in books or any materials, it is read through the radio frequency system. That is the main technology of the RFID system. In our library, we have applied RFID systems in different stages. That tagging, circulation, self check-in, self check-out, RFID security gate and management inventory control, and this book drop system. Book drop system immediately we have not introduced. This is in our next phase. So I will explain all these module, all these field step by step in different locations in our library. Before going to different section, I will show you the actual tag. We are using the Lipsys software since 1997, and the RFID system, the order of the RFID system was placed to Lipsys Corporation, as we have been using Lipsys software since 1997, and they are having tie-up with Taxis France, and the materials like tags, reader, antenna, gate like this is imported from Taxis France, and then they have compiled in our library with their Smart software. So before going to different section, I will show the exact tag. This is RFID tag. Tag contains microchip, antenna, and this plastic cover and silicon liner. This is the actual tag which I purchased from Taxis France. Then I will go to our different sections. First we will go to tagging section, and I will show you how they are doing the tagging work in the book, and how they are entering the book, tagging works. Everything I will show you step by step.